Hello everyone, I am Gurumurthy, Maths teacher, the Optimus Public School, Bhavani. Today we are going to start chapter 6, More Division. In this chapter, we are going to cover short division, long division, remainder in division, checking division, dividing 2-digit numbers, dividing 3-digit number, 3-digit quotients with a remainder, 0 in the quotient, building skills problem without numbers, understanding remainders. These are the topic we are going to cover. First topic is different ways of representation of divisor. There are different styles of expressing a division equation are shown below. First one, horizontal method. 24 divided by 6 equal to 4. Here 24 is a dividend, next division symbol, next 6 is divisor, next equal symbol, next answer of the division, that is quotient. Second method, fractional method. 24 divided by 6 equal to 4. Here two parts are there, that is numerator and the denominator part. The numerator part is dividend, 24 divided by 6 is divisor, that is denominator part, equal to 4 is the quotient. Next method, short division method. This is the letter L method. You are going to write inside the L 24, that is called dividend. In the left side, you are going to write divisor. Below the L, you are going to write the answer of the division, that is quotient. Okay. Next method is long division. It is inverted L shape. Inside the L shape, you are going to write dividend, that is 75. 75 is the dividend. Outside 4 is a divisor. Upper portion, that is quotient. 18 is the quotient. Followed by some multiplication and subtraction part. And the last one is the remainder. Last two, that is short division and long division, we are going to learn in this lesson. First one is short division. The division of a number, usually integers, that can be worked out mentally rather than on paper. Short division is similar to long division, but it involves less written work and more mental arithmetic. The general method for both short and long division is the same, but in short division, we write down less of your work doing the simple subtraction and multiplication mentally. To understand short division, you must have mastered the basic skill of subtraction and multiplication. Short division is ideal when the divisor, the number that you are dividing into another number, is less than 10. Example 1. 10 divided by 5 equal to what? This can also be written as follows. This is a L shape type. Inside the L shape, you are going to write dividend. You are going to write in short DIVD. The outside L shape, that is the left hand side, you are going to write divisor, that is DIV. Below the L, you are going to write quotient, that is Q. Okay. So 10 divided by 5 equal to what? Yes, I am going to write 10, that is a dividend inside the L shape. Divisor 5, I am going to write in left side of the L. Okay. Now we are going to find out the quotient, that is the answer of the division. We are going to multiply, get 10. 5 into dash equal to 10. Yes, 5 into 2 equal to 10. That is 2 is the quotient. We know the multiplication fact equal to the dividend. Correct? No? Or you can say dividend fact 10 divided by 5 equal to 2. Example 2. 18 divided by 6 equal to what? This can also be written as follows. Yes, 18 is the dividend. I am going to write inside that L. And 6 is the divisor. I am going to write left side of the L. Now say 6 into dash equal to 18. Yes, 6 into 3 equal to 18. Therefore, 3 is the quotient. I am going to write below the L symbol. Isn't it? So 18 divided by 6 equal to 3. Here 18 is dividend, 6 is the divisor, 3 is the quotient. Next example 3. 28 divided by 2 equal to what? Yes, I am going to write in short division format. 28 is the dividend. I am going to write it inside the L, and left side what I am going to write? Yes, divisor, that is a 2. Now I am going to divide. How to divide? Here first you are going to compare the number first. Yes, how many 2's are there in first digit? Yes, 1 2 is 2. Say 2 into dash equal to 2. Yes, 2 into 1 equal to 2. I am going to write in the quotient portion 1. Next digit, that is 8. How many 2's are there in 8? Yes, 4 2's are 8. That means you are going to say 2 into dash equal to 8. Yes, 2 into 4 equal to 8. Isn't it? In this 4 I am going to write in quotient portion. 14 into 2 equal to 28. Isn't it? Therefore answer is 28 divided by 2 equal to 14. 14 is the quotient. Next method, long division method. What is meant by long division? Yes, the long division is the method used for dividing larger number into groups or parts. The long division helps in breaking the division problem into a sequence of easier steps, just like all division problems. A large number, which is the dividend, is divided by the another number, which is called a divisor, to give a result called the quotient, and sometimes a remainder also. The remainder always less than the divisor. Okay. Example 1. Long division. Example 1. 8 students worked in pair helping the nursery class children with their art activity. How many pair of students were there? 8 students worked in pair helping the nursery class children with their art activity. How many pair of students were there? We know pair means 2. Therefore, I am going to write this question in short form. 8 divided by 2 equal to what? We know long division is nothing but inverted L shape. This can also be written like this in place value chart. In place value chart, I am going to write dividend 8 inside the inverted L, and divisor I am going to write left side of the inverted L. Now say the tables. 2 into dash equal to 8. 2 into dash equal to 8. Yes, we know 2 into 4 equal to 8. Or we can say how many 2's are there in 8? Yes, 4 2's are 8. The 4 is the quotient. I am going to write it in the top of the inverted L. I am going to multiply quotient into divisor. That is 2 into 4 equal to 8. That I am going to write below the dividend 8. Immediately I am going to subtract 8 minus 8 equal to 0. Here 0 is the remainder. 8 students put into groups of 2 gives 4 groups. That means 8 divided by 2 equal to 4. Therefore answer, there are 4 pairs of students helping nursery children in their art activity. Long division 2 digit. Example 2. There are 42 children in that nursery class. They are seated in equal group around 6 tables. How many children on each table? This question I am going to write in short form. Yes, 42 divided by 6 equal to what? This equation I am going to write in place value chart. The divisor 42 I am going to write in inverted L shape. 4 in 10's place, 2 in 1's place. The divisor 6 I am going to write left side of the inverted L. 6 into dash equal to 42. Or how many 6 are there in 42? Yes, 7 into 6 are 42. That means 7 6 are 42. Here 7 is the quotient. Now I am going to multiply 7 into 6 equal to 42. I am going to write below the dividend. Immediately I am going to subtract 42 minus 42 equal to 0. Here 0 is the remainder. The 42 children are seated in 6 tables gives 7 groups of children. The answer, there are 7 children around each table in the nursery class. Long division, 2 digit with remainder. Example 3. Assis was packing 13 blankets for distribution during winter. He was putting 4 blankets in one packet. Find the number of packets and how many left. This question I am going to write in short form. That is 13 divided by 4 equal to what? Yes, I am going to represent in place value chart. The dividend 13 I am going to write in below the inverted L. Divisor 6 I am going to write left side the inverted L. I am going to find how many 4s are there in 13. 1 4s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12, 4 4s are 16. So I am going to select below 13, that means 4 3s are 12. Here 4 is we know that is a divisor. So I am going to select 3 is the quotient. Therefore 3 into 4 equal to 12. I am going to write below the dividend 13. Immediately I am going to subtract 13 minus 12 equal to 1. So 1 is the remainder. Therefore there are 3 groups of 4 in 13. There is 1 blanket left over. Dear kids, sometimes in division we may not able to equally group or equally share all the objects. Something might be left over. The number that is left over in division is called the remainder. The remainder will always be smaller than the divisor. Dear kids, same way you also try yourself. Pause the video, complete your classwork note. Thank you. We will see in the next video.